parents, they instilled in us the importance to help others, but also my mother was extremely involved in volunteering, right from being a classroom helper to being a Girl Guide leader. And so it's like I took lead from her to be able to sort of start volunteering myself. I love meeting new people and spending time with people and really helping them. I volunteer at the Toronto airport to help people with wayfinding. And it's so exciting giving somebody a really good first impression or last impression of being in Toronto. So my time at Waterloo can be characterized by it just being the 4 best years of my entire life. I've never had 4 years in a row that have been as great as the 4 years I spent at Waterloo. What really sort of stood out for me in those 4 years is that exchange to Oxford Brookes University was really special for me. Different from my classmates, I decided to stay for the entire summer. It was a challenge to live and work in a different country, to have that day-to-day, and also just to open myself up to new experiences. 3 words to describe Anne-Marie the student would be hardworking, funny, and tall. I tell my pre-university self to be open to all the new experiences that are going to be put on my doorstep, but also the importance of all the people that I'm just about to meet on this journey, and that they'll be with you for the next 30 plus years. My friends and colleagues would describe me now as probably glue, the glue that holds everybody together. Also, they would describe me as hardworking still, and just loving.
Still tall?
Yes. My experience was so great. From the 4 years, from the education I received, from the people I met, from the instructors I had, I want somebody else to have that experience. I hope that people have at least one, if not as many connections and friendships and memories of the faculty, the program, and the university as I do.